Today I give my F30 340i an epic transformation that makes it look newer, sportier, and downright more aggressive. Something anyone can do. In the last 340i video, we upgraded the headlights and the taillights, which already leveled up the car dramatically.
Oh, I don't know, bro. This looks kind of wild.
And now we tackle the remainder.
Guys, I couldn't keep the 340 looking the way it is. I mean, I like the idea of having a sleeper build and the peasant non-M Sport bumpers and all that stuff, but I just couldn't do it. Here it is, guys. We're doing the M Sport conversion from bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, and diffuser. The M Sport bumper just looks miles better compared to the non-M Sport bumper. It just looks a lot more aggressive, makes the car look a lot more modern. I don't know, it's just an overall sporty look. Same goes for the rear bumper, which one of the cool things about rocking an M Sport rear bumper is that you can actually run a diffuser, whether it's an OEM one, a really sporty one like the one that we have here, or a carbon one. I think the most subtle upgrade is definitely the side skirts, because especially when you have them in black, you really can tell that they're a little bit more aggressive. They have more lines to them, they look sportier, but I mean, just looking at my side skirts here now, especially on a black car, you really can't tell the difference, but they definitely are better looking. And the best part is that we do sell this M Sport conversion kit directly on our website, vehiclevirals.com. I'll leave it linked down in the video's description. If you guys have any questions, feel free to chat with us on the website or email us. We have them pretty much for every configuration for the F30. So if you have PDC sensors, we have the kit for that. Without PDC sensors, with the headlight washing, and also with and without fog lights.
For the time being, we will offer the body kits for local pickup only until we figure out how to ship everything out efficiently. We are located in Orlando, Florida, if any of you guys are interested, but I promise you guys, they will be available for shipping soon. A huge shout out to the guys at Rubio's Collision for painting the M Sport kit. Those guys did a phenomenal job. They are very good when it comes to anything bodywork related, and their pricing is very fair. They are located here in the Central Florida area, so make sure to hit them up.
All right, so I did want to show you guys a side-by-side comparison. The front bumper is the biggest change. So that's the factory bumper I had on before, non-M Sport. You can tell by the massive opening design down here. So it's a lot more aggressive, a lot sportier, especially for a 340i, right? That has a lot of capabilities with power potential. One thing I don't really like about the non-M Sport bumper is its trim starts to get really blue over time and it just doesn't look very good. Kind of similar story with the rear bumpers as well. You have this trim piece that turns blue over time, just doesn't look very good. And it's kind of basic for the most part. M Sport 1, super aggressive lines here, very sporty. And like I said, you can add a diffuser to it. Car did come originally with PDC, so that's why I have the PDC hose on the bumpers. So we'll go ahead and transfer those over. Side skirts, not a massive difference, especially on a dark colored car. I guess where you can really tell is this area right here starts to indent.
It's like a contour line.
Yeah, it's a big contour line right here for sure. So it gives it a super sporty look. On a lighter colored car, you can probably tell the difference. On black, not so much, but it'll do just enough. Rear diffuser, that's the one thing that doesn't mimic the M Performance design. You actually get a super sporty diffuser with the kits that we sell. And I didn't know if I wanted to paint it or not because it comes in this black, like this satin matte black. I think it looks pretty good, so I'll rock it like that. If I decide to, maybe I'll paint it in gloss black later on in the future, or maybe upgrade to a carbon one.
The kit comes pretty much with everything you need for your car's configuration. All you would need to do is transfer over your existing hardware. Literally the best way to transform your non-M Sport body kit.
This guy likes to work on people's cars. Hit him up at Swap Tapo. He has done the conversion of his car with our kit as well, so.
Yeah. Yeah.
So he has experience here. And now he's about to have experience.
I've done it both ways. The OEM way, which is a performance kit that you buy for $1,400 alone, without bumpers, just comes with side skirts and all the stuff to mount the bumpers. With our kit, there's less to remove and less to put on. AKA these have to get swapped out on M Performance. The foam pad has to be swapped out on M Performance. And there's some weird things that get added on with M Performance. With this kit, we just have to remove this and put it back on.
There's like a little tab right here. Yeah, just like that,
For sale? Hey!
That's how
He
you
didn't even ask permission for that.
That's how you make an M Sport conversion.
This is not the Wyatt Webster channel, Ali.
That's like worth nothing.
It's worth something to me.
$10.
It's not worth anything to you. You just like to marinate.
It'd be a very nice time to do a heat exchanger upgrade. It's like right there. Dog.
I don't even know how the he's doing this, bro.
So I think he's hooking that above.
You go up and in?
Like-
okay, there's something.
And then you gotta get that over the metal part.
This guy's over here judging me.
Because Ali finished like an hour ago.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was fragrant. Now they know I don't play around.
Dang, complete.
Oh, he has the clips, dog.
Dang.
There should be part of your brake duct that you take off. How the car's going like this.
You know, some cars look good bumperless. The F30 is not one of them, especially not the E90. The E90 just looks atrocious.
What cars look good without the bumper?
Nissans.
What? What?
Okay.
Good answer. All right, keep moving.
All right, move all the shit off the table.
Sir, yes, sir.
What you about to do with this table?
Table, I'm breaking half right now.
I'm out of here. PDC sensors and the harness.
Also, this center grill piece is certified, bro. Passed. It passed the inspection. It's C certified. C for Christian. Certified, dog.
That's where you guys hold hands. Dang, we got the harness clips too.
This is definitely how they do it from here.
Yeah, that's the BMW way, right? Loop-de-loop and pull.
We could have just transferred over the original fog lights, but they were kind of clapped, so I purchased fresh ones to put on.
Bumper looks good.
Got all the grills.
Let's go. Pray to Jesus. Yeah, what the f that's out there for?
It's like an alignment tab. Because mine had a slit here.
Well, you know what's funny is, look right here. There's actually a mark on the back of the bumper for it.
So you're supposed to cut it? The foam pad has to come off.
The crash foam that sits behind the non-M Sport front bumper does not fit the M Sport configuration as it gets in the way of the PDC sensors. If you opt in for a bumper with no PDC sensors, then fitment is not an issue. I took it off for now to finish the video and ordered an M Sport one to install later on.
What do I need to film?
Oh my God.
I know the camera didn't pick that up, but he's literally like pants over here as we speak. I know you're in your turtle heading right now.
Full fucking meals from fucking McDonald's, bro. It needs to go somewhere.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Dang. All right, can we put the double slats on?
Are you drunk?
So we had a few options for kidney grills. This was literally going to be my option for my bumper for the time being because I totally forgot to order M Performance grills for the new conversion. But I'm not rocking double slat bumpers.
Oh, thank God.
We'll rock it on X30 340i later on.
Dang.
The other option was to transfer over the Sport kidney grills from the non-M Sport bumper I had on. You know, like it either because of the chrome trim. So, like I said, I ordered M Performance kidney grills, but they're not gonna be here just yet. So, I sold the M Performance kidney grills from the wide body F30. So we're gonna use that in the time being, and then when the new ones show up, we'll put it on the F30. So whoever wins the giveaway, which starts very soon, I think, I would say within a few weeks,
Believe it when I see it, muchacho.
you'll get some brand new sets of M Performance kidney grills.
Extremely complicated, guys.
Extremely.
Oh,
Oh, that makes a huge difference.
cue the montage of tightening everything.
Trying to get the bumper alignment here as good as possible. Keep opening and closing the hood to test.
Better.
We're replacing these
Pork chops.
with these pork chops. And we're adding this so we can bolt on the bumper to this section. All right, let's get to it. this one
That tucks in.
right there.
Oh, did you ever take a
Why's that question being asked? Why is that question?
He stopped farting, bro. There's no more farting.
Ta-da!
It is complete.
It just takes some the original A-mills he took off when removing the other bumper and then little plastic lock-on clips. All right, so I went ahead and installed the fender liners off camera. Everything's nice and tight. All the little clips are installed. The 8mm are there as well. Everything lines up perfectly. Everything's good. We did end up installing the block off plate for this side. I do not have an additional cooler behind the bumper, so we installed the block off plate. We'll move on to the side skirts.
Swapping out the side skirts was definitely the easiest thing to do from the entire kit. Remove all the plastic screws from the bottom side and slowly pry on the side skirt to unclip. To install the new one, just do the same thing in reverse.
And performance side skirts are installed. Very good, nice and tight. Fitment is great. And the same for the driver's side. So we're pretty much almost at the finish line. We got the rear bumper and the diffuser, and that's it.
It's almost like we were just here.
Oh, never mind, those came out. There you go.
Okay, so there actually is
New Jersey dust.
no main harness here, just a bunch of plugs you gotta disconnect. Hey, we're free.
Look what we just found out my car has. This is pretty much an F10 M5, guys.
Shut up. There you go.
Yeah,
We're swapping this one out for this. And then we gotta transfer over that, whatever the fucking sensor this is.
I mean, pretty much any of these sensors need to go.
At
But
least we get rid of some New Jersey dust. And this is how we're going to transfer, guys. Let me show you guys, just like this.
dang, M Sport is going in the trash. They don't want to go in the trash.
Okay, see, the tail lights magically look better now.
Right, dude. Okay, well, we don't have
Show it. What's up?
we don't have we ain't got the trunk down, you know. Hey, yo.
Wow, sick.
That was EC.
We want to see how cool this diffuser looks.
Full send, bro. Complete.
Look at that. Oh, bro, the tail lights look miles better with this kit on.
I knew the M Sport bumper would do it, bro.
Bro, that looks good. That diffuser really looks really nice too. All right, I gotta put the wheels on, wash the car, and then I'll give you guys a walk around of what the kit looks like.
All right, guys, the moment you've been waiting for. Here's what the 340i looked like before. And this is how it looks like now. Love it or hate it, the F30 really stands out now. In the next 340i video, we will make this car even faster. So make sure to like the video if you guys enjoyed it. It really does help out the channel. And subscribe to the channel, that way you don't miss out on the next upload. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time.